Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up pricing experiments with price intelligently detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, access the Price Intelligently platform by logging into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you will see various pricing options. Select the Experiments section from the menu to initiate your pricing experiment setup. Click on the Create New Experiment button to start the process. You will then be prompted to name your experiment. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the objective of the experiment. Next, define the type of experiment you wish to conduct. Select between options like A/B testing or a multivariable test based on your needs. Proceed by choosing your target audience for the experiment. This step is crucial for gathering the most relevant data. After that, set the parameters for the pricing options. Input the different price points you wish to test. Ensure that these price points are logically varied to glean meaningful insights. Now, establish the duration of the experiment. Specify how long the experiment will run to collect sufficient data. Once the settings are configured, review your choices for any necessary adjustments. Upon satisfaction, click the Launch Experiment button to go live. Your pricing experiment is now active and ready for data collection. Monitor the experiment closely through the dashboard. Make use of the analytics tools provided to assess performance in real time. After the experiment concludes, analyze the results thoroughly. Look for patterns and insights that indicate customer preferences. Take note of any significant findings that may influence your pricing strategy. Finally, apply the insights gained from the experiment to refine your pricing approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.